Hey everybody, in this video I want to show you how I built this beautiful website. It's not a website, it's just a landing page for this beautiful soul. I'm sure you heard her name in the news lately. So if you learned anything in this video, how to make these automations, how to create these beautiful background color, obviously you could edit it, and just how to create this beautiful images with these beautiful carousel slide. Again, if you learned anything in this video, please click on this button, and just simply if you could donate anything, that would be fantastic. So let's get started. Let's start how I created this animation. I think I called it automation, but this how I created this animation. So let me just quickly show you. Let me see which picture did I use. I used this one. So I went to Google. Obviously I typed in her name. I believe they used this image right in here. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, this is a big image. So I think, oh, sorry, I used this one, and you could see how this is, this is a large image too. I don't know why I did an upscale on this image. But anyway, I used this image and I wrote this prompt. I used Google Gemini, the new Nano Banana. And this is the prompt I used, I believe. So I put in the first image and it generated this image. So basically I created, I don't think I used this image. But anyway, this was the process. I put into Gemini, I created an image. I think I created just a few different watermarks. You'll see that I used it. I don't think I used all of them, but you could see different prompts. This one didn't come out so well. Nope, this one didn't come out so well. Sorry, I'll speed it up. So yeah, so you could use this image. I think I upscale it because it was low quality on Google. Okay, so yeah, I used an upscale to get the image very nice size. And then the tool that I used to go from this image to this image is called Halo AI. That video, I'll put a link in the description. And so this what it looks like. You could see that this is as soon as you type in, actually as soon as you type in this name, Halo AI, this will come up. Then you click on the image, then video, and then the start. So you could select the start image. Let me just quickly show you. Okay, you're gonna upload the image that you want to start from. So let's do this, for example. Okay, and this is the image that you want to end. So for example, okay, so this is how it's gonna start and this is how it's gonna end. Okay, and then you just click and let it generate. And maybe pause this video. Again, I'm on a free account. I'm sure I'm gonna upload because I use it quite a bit. Okay, and basically it will generate something like that, the image that it started with and the image that it's gonna end it. And then what I did, I turn it into a GIF file, okay, GIF file, and this is how it was able to generate this this automation, not an animation, right in here. Okay, and in a second I'm going to show you which tool that I used to create this website. So this tool that I used was bolt.new to build this website. It literally created in like maybe a few minutes, going back and forth with prompting. Okay, used a simple prompt. I obviously uploaded the GIF image, okay, which you see right in here, and it created beautifully. Okay, so again, bold.new. What was created, and then I published and connected to the domain name that I registered for Iryna. Okay, hopefully we could make some changes with their judicial system. okay, in US. So again, I put my name, my contact at the bottom right in here. Obviously we're gonna build on this website, hopefully. Okay, and I did put the news articles on this beautiful girl, okay, and the crazy thing that happened to her. Again, this is just I just built it, so just to show you guys, and hopefully we'll get some donations for her. Okay, so I did use bold.new, and in the next video I'm going to show you all these codes, where I got them from to create this automations, this background, as well as this carousel with her images. Okay, so the code that you see right in here came from this next tool that I'm going to show you, is 21st Dev. Okay, this is where I got all the automations, and you could see this beautiful background that you see in Iryna's landing page right in here. You could see the beautiful blue flow. Okay, and the way I got it was from 24 Dev. Okay, and you could just copy the prompt. Okay, I'm not going to do it now, and you could actually use all these different tools to put it in. Whether you love Lovable, I use Lovable as well. Okay, but now I'm using bold, so you could just create bold, copy the prompt. Okay, and you could just paste it. Obviously you want to say that it's for the hero section, and you could see that that's exactly what I said. And you could see that the prompt is only in the hero section. Okay, so you paste the prompt, and again you just prompt it where you want that background. I mean, you could use it throughout the page, throughout the website, but again, just prompt it where you want it, and it just within like a few minutes it created this beautiful floating blue colors of the background. And same came from this carousel slide with Iryna's images. I also got it from 21st Dev, so let me just show you 21st Dev, just how incredible, just easy. You got these beautiful creators. Okay, let's click on home. Sorry. You could click on search, and you got all this incredible just cards. Look at this, just beautiful designs that you could just quickly update it into bold or lovable. You can't build this. I know a lot of people I use Go High Level, and you cannot build this in Go High Level. This quality, this incredible headlines, these incredible cards, forms, announcements, backgrounds, borders, call to action, and it just gives your website this, like you put in a lot of work into it, like you hired best of the best designers, okay, to build your website. Again, announcements, just visit 21st Dev. I'm not affiliated with anybody. I'm not making any money on anything. This is just the tools that I use to build beautiful websites for my clients, obviously for Iryna. And I hope if you learned anything, okay, again, just let me just show you call to action. Just go to Iryna's website that I built, Iryna Zarutska, okay, bill.com, okay, and just click on this GoFundMe button, and hopefully we could raise some money for Iryna. Obviously, also in bold, I uploaded the images, and I said during the prompting, once you copy the prompt from 21st Dev, you want to just connect right in here in bold, right in here, just upload as many images as you want. Okay, and this is exactly how I built this website for Iryna. Again, if you learned anything, go click on this button. If you could donate anything, that would be great, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.